In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S26 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. By opening settings and scrolling to click on this section, go to lock screen and always on display. Then hit screen lock and biometrics. Enter your screen lock and finally hit face recognition. Now choose continue. Hit the register and then keep your face in frame. Follow all of the instructions from your screen. When you finished, you can manage all of those options however you want to, but make sure face unlock is enabled. Without it, you won't be able to use face data in order to unlock your Samsung. So now when I switch off my screen, turn it back on and look at it. I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!